Hi everyone, welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate here, and on today's video I will be showing you how to create poll on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Telegram application. After you open up that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from this interface, open up the group where you would like to create a poll. Once you open that up, you will land on this interface. Now, at the bottom of this interface, at the right hand side, you will get a paperclip icon. Tap over there. And again at the bottom, on the menu bar, from the bunch of menus, tap on poll. Once you do that on your interface, you will get a dialog box. There, as you can see, poll question. And under that, you can enter answer option. For that, tap on add a option. Then add multiple option as you would like. If you want to discard that option, you can simply tap on that cross icon on that same option. You can add more option as well. There you can see you can add 8 more option. That means you can add up to 10 options. Now once you're done with that, under the settings, you can customize your settings as well. If you want anonymous voting, you can simply turn on the toggle that says anonymous voting. You can turn on multiple answers as well, and quiz mode. If you want to turn them all, simply turn on the toggle. Now once you're done with that, tap on create from the upper right corner, and as you can see, our poll has been created. So that's how you can create poll on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.